What's up guys, my name's Johnny and you're watching Tech Dangus. And chances are you're in the market for a new gaming laptop. Well, in this video we're going to unbox the MSI GS65 Stealth Thin, an awesome laptop with a name that's very difficult to say 10 times fast. If you're looking for something with specs like these, at a price point like this, then look no further than this laptop here. Because this is one of the most beautiful, portable, powerful laptops on the market today. And I'm going to take it out of the box and show you why. Let's change the camera view so you can get a good overhead and we'll start tearing this thing apart. Alright, so checking out the outside shipping box here. Looks pretty standard, cardboard. Not very pretty, but that's okay. Let's get this thing opened up. Try not to cut too far down because we don't want to damage anything inside. Get the sides there. Not cut my finger. That wouldn't be good. Alright. Okay, so we've got some foam packaging and then this inner box covered in plastic. Sorry about the headlight there, overhead. Probably should have turned that off. Just put this thing here on top to shield that. Alright, let's get this thing out of here. Get this foam off. I'm gonna have to move this thing anyway, but what's in here? This is power supply. Okay. Pull that open real quick. Yep, good old standard power cable. It's a pretty decently long cable, it looks like. And put that aside here. Pull out the brick. You know, this brick doesn't look as big as some of the other bricks I've seen. It's still pretty big, but considering it's pretty sleek. Has rounded edges and doesn't weigh too much. And another long cable on the other side there going into the power adapter, so that's nice. Comes with a nice little cable tie. And oh yeah, it's pretty long. Alright. Let's pop this thing open real quick here. On the corner there you have your spec diagram. Tells you all about it. And once again, my overhead light that I should have turned off. Get these out of here. Maybe once we get this plastic, once we get the plastic off here, it won't be an issue. Get the old knife out again. For all you plastic cutting enthusiasts. Sharpen my knife for this. Oh, missed a spot. Alright, no more glare. Cool. Okay, so we've got this nice heavy cardboard MSI branded box with the MSI crest on it, which is a dragon and it's awesome. Let's get this thing open here, see what it looks like inside. And, alright, immediately it tells you to stop in Spanish. Stop. Basically says, don't take it back to the manufacturer, or not manufactured. Don't take it back to the retailer, just call us and we'll help you out. And we've got our anti-static bag here. And then, oh, what's this? It's a quick start guide, manual, whatnot. Cool. I don't really need to pop that open. That doesn't need to be here. Let's get this out of there. Alright, and the unsheathing. There it is. Beautiful matte black finish, once again with the gold MSI crest. Really nice improvement over the last series. The red lining on the last series was a little bit gamery. This is much more business-like, I guess. You could take this thing to a meeting with your coworkers and no one's going to look at it like you're some sort of hooligan. Alright, and comes with a microfiber cloth on the inside. Nice big screen, no bevels. Well, there's a little bit of a bevel, but considering. And of course our sticker here. We'll just cover this up to get rid of the headlight. The stickers here, you know, with the functions. The keyboard feels pretty good, nice and clicky. Not very much travel on those keys, but it does have a really nice tactile feel. You definitely do get good response. It's kind of like the new MacBooks. They have, you know, a super low travel but very tactile key. This is kind of the same way. Not as nice, but still pretty nice. Yeah, that's not going to power on. The battery's dead. We'll have to plug that in. Yeah, we got nothing. Overall, construction's really nice. You know, it feels substantial. Has a nice hinge on it. Feels, you know, decently sturdy. Could be a little bit sturdier. You know, definitely the bottom half of it's a little bit flimsier. I really like this this gold kind of trim on here. It's really nice, very shiny. Really seals the deal. And the trackpad is has that same gold bezel around it. Yeah, I mean, construction-wise, it feels really good. You know, a little bit of flex. You know, oh, especially here. Yeah, there's quite a bit of flex in that area where the fan inlets are. On the side we have our I/O, power, HDMI, display port, Thunderbolt, USB 3.1, and a regular USB 3. And over here we've got 2 more USB 3s, an in and out for audio, and a full-size Ethernet with a Kensington lock on the top there, and our grills for the fan output. Yeah, so that's the MSI GS65. Really nice laptop. It feels substantial. It feels like you're getting a quality product. You don't feel like you're wasting your money paying this much money. The specs speak for themselves. I mean, you know, there's other laptops in the price range that have similar specs, and then there's some name brands where you're not even getting these good of specs for this amount of money. And you know, this is a really good choice overall.